Task 35, dividing fractions. You have 3/4 of a yard of blue silk. You want to divide it into 3 equal parts. How big will each part be? First, to figure it out, divide. But when you divide a number by 3, it's the same as taking the third of it. So, how we do that? 3/4 divided by 3. We keep the first number, we switch the sign to multiplication, and we flip the fraction. Now, in the case of a whole number, there's an imaginary 1 that's under any whole number. So when we flip it, the 1 that's under the imaginary 1 that's under the 3 goes to the top, and the 3 goes on the bottom of the fraction. Now, we already know how to multiply fractions, so we can just go across. 3 times 1 would be 3, and 4 times 3 would be 12. But here, they showed an easier way to do it if you think it will help. You can divide both the top and the bottom numbers on separate fractions by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then we multiply across. 3 times 1, or 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. So each part would be 1/4 of a yard. Again, when we divide fractions, we keep the first number, we switch the sign to multiplication, and we flip the fraction. Number 1. You have 4/5 of a pound of rice. You want to divide the rice into 2 equal piles. How much will each pile weigh? Hint, change the 2 into 1/2 and multiply. Number 2. How much is 2 1/3 liters divided by 7? First, change 1/3 liters into 7/3 liters, then change the 7 into 1/7 and multiply. Because remember, we can't multiply mixed fractions. Number 3. How much is 9/10 of a meter divided by 3? Number 4. How much is 3/4 of a mile divided by 5?